Good morning, Professor Anand Rajawat sir. My name is Ragini Kushwaha. I am delighted to present the topic of Big Five model. What is personality? It means how people affect others and how they understand and view themselves. Inner and outer traits from patterns of the personality of an individual. Basically, it is the sum of total way in which individual interact with others. Big Five model. There are the agreeableness, consciousness, ex- extraversion, openness, neuroticism. These are the big five models. I'm going to explain one by one models. First one is agreeableness. These traits describe a person's level of kindness, empathy, and cooperativeness. People high in agreeableness tend to be compassionate, cooperative, and trusting, while those low in agreeables may be competitive and skeptical. There are in next slide there are two types of agreeableness. This is high agreeableness and these are low agreeableness. In high agreeableness, people are warm, helpful, friendly, put aside their own interests, cooperative, generous, control their negative emotion. In low agreeableness side, suspicious, unfriendly, self-centered, uncooperative, manipulating their social relation. This kind of agreeableness people are. Next, one point is consciousness. This trait describe a person's level of organization, responsibility, and dependability. People high in consciousness tend to be reliable, hardworking, and disciplined, while those low in consciousness may be more impulsive and careless. And in this slide, there are the high consciousness and low consciousness. In high consciousness side, people are kind of hardworking, deliberating, neat, systematic, professionals, uh, high dependable. And in low consciousness, people are less goal oriented, antisocial, criminal behavior, low uh, l- criminal behavior, not very dependable. In this case, I am consciousness kind of people. Extraversion. This trait describe a person's level of scale, sociability, assertiveness, and energy level. People high extraversion tend to be outgoing, talkative, and energetic, while those low in extraversion may be more reserved and introspective. And also here also there are two sides of extraversion. One is high and second is low. In high side, people's kind of energetic, talkative, assertive, active, high involved in social situation. And another side, low extraversion, people are kind of silent, quiet, reserved, shy, less involved in social situation. Next point is openness. This trait describe a person level of imagination, creativity, and openness of new ideas. And experience people high in openness tend to be curious, adventurous, open mind. While those low in this tend to be more conventional and then set of their ways. And this slide, high openness and there are two side, high openness and low openness. In high openness, people are kind of creative, daring to take risks, curious, flexible attitude, open to new and different ideas. And other side, people in low openness are less creative, enjoy having routines. It means daily routine. They would like to follow their daily routines. Less curious, no flexible, conventional, down to earth. Neuroticism. This trait describes the person of level of emotion, stability, tendency to experience negative emotions such as anxiety, fear, sadness. People high in neuroticism tend to be more prone to stress and worry, while those in low neuroticism tend to be more calm and relaxed. There are also two sides of neuroticism, high and low. In high neuroticism, people are anxiety, self-consciousness, depression, impulsiveness, angry, hostility. In other side, low neuroticism, people are calm, even temper, hardly unemotional. Now I'm going to explain you what are the advantage of this. Useful useful for personal it means what are the advantage of this study. There are the four example sorry advantages of this study. First, useful for personal development, practical application, predictively power, widely accepted. Disadvantages, these are the oversimplification, simplification, self-report bias, cultural basic limitation, limited scope. That is why these are the disadvantages of this. Last one is our conclusion. The Big Five model is a is very useful framework for understanding the human personality and behavior. It provides a way to conceptualize and measures individuals' difference in personality that can help us better understand ourselves and others. Thank you, Anand sir, to giving me this opportunity to present this topic. Thank you, sir.